We're out here at Decatur Sportsmans Club. We're out here with Gravy Train and his boy, and we're going to be trying to shoot the rifles in here for youth deer season. Shane's out there hanging targets. Bryson's got to get his hearing protection in. You always want your earplugs in or muffs. That way you can hear the deer coming. You guys stay tuned. We're going to see how these boys do at shooting target. Gravy Train's getting ready to send a round out of his 308. Bryson. I think you flinched on that one. You got
dead center bullseye?
Is it dead center?
Dad, did you hit the center? Bang! Dead here. Dead here.
I don't want them.
That was
Going to load up Bryson's 243. Let Bryson take his first shot out of the 243. We'll see how he does. Come sit on my lap.
I don't know how I'm going to do this, Dad. Okay.
You're all right.
Ow.
What? You're going to put your legs down. That way you can get close.
Oh, Dad!
All right.
I'm not going to be able to get it.
You put your shoulder in there. And you
get your finger away from that trigger.
Don't put your face up there.
I can't do this.
Huh?
I'm not going to do this. I can't.
What do you mean?
It has to be down.
That's why I said you probably should have just shot off the table.
It's going to kick me.
Won't kick you that bad.
Yes, it will.
Try to find the safety.
Right there. Up.
Don't squeeze that trigger until you have it on the deer.
I have it on the deer.
You see the whole scope. Don't rush it. Put it right where you need it. Keep looking through that scope the whole time.
That scares me.
Yeah, I know it does. You got to get used to it though.
Oh, shoot. Missed it.
Now, let me see it. Let me put the
Do
safety.
it.
Safety. Cover up the red. Safety first. I don't think it'll go on safety until you eject it. Go ahead and get the shell out. Straight up. Straight back.
There.
Put the shell in the middle.
No, put it on safety.
Okay.
I want to show some when I put the bullet in.
Yeah?
Film.
Yeah, then go ahead and stick it in. Put it in the middle and push it down till it clicks.
Daddy, I blew that bad boy up.
Push it down. There you go. Slow. Close it down the whole way. Safety's on. On your shoulder. Make sure it's on your shoulder. If it's not on your shoulder, you're gonna know it. Look for that deer. Can you see the whole way through the scope?
Yes, I did. I see it.
Okay. Find that. Don't touch that trigger until you're absolutely on the deer. Where's your face at on the scope? It's not too close, is it? Why'd you move your face?
You move it. Tell me.
It's the same kind of shirt, just a different color.
Yeah, that's not loud.
You hit the red?
No, the other one over there.
Not yet.
That one's
And I'm ready to fire.
Go ahead.
That one's loud, but I don't want to do that one.
Right
I
now.
want to do the
Yep.
one over there.
Boom.
That was the last one, buddy.
All right. Hop up here. We'll let you do the whole process. You're gonna load it. Get one that's not shot. See? See how them primers have a hole? Get one without the hole in it.
Okay.
That's a loaded shell. Pull it straight up. There you go.
God, Dad, can you hold it up?
Yep.
I won't see them physically doing it, but I'll get to, watch them pull it out of the woods.
Slow.
I can see all that.
There you go. Safety on. There you go.
But you're going to have to do safety for me on this one.
Huh?
Dad, put your leg where it was supposed to be.
I need my earplugs in. Hold on, guys.
Yep. Get your head down there so you can see everything.
I got this one right here.
Can you move it?
Yeah. Oh, I don't have a hold of it. Let me grab a hold of the gun.
Okay.
That way it don't kick you that hard.
Do it.
Calm down. Can you see the whole deer?
Yes. Just move your hand.
Oh, hold on. You're going to take the whole brunt of it?
Yep.
You hold on to the gun. Don't move your head.
Ow.
There, you took the whole brunt. That's all the harder it kicks. That's it. That's it. Up, back. Yep. There you go. Did the whole process. What do you think? What do you think?
Good.
Good?
I did fine.
Not quite used to it yet. We'll have to practice with you. Put that safety on. Use your thumb. Works better with the thumb. Up the whole way. Down, down.
I did that.
Okay.
Dad, move your hand, please.
You don't want me holding it at all.
Go on target.
Now take your time. I can put the safety on for you.
Yeah, do it.
All right, get in position. You finger off the trigger.
I got deer and target.
Finger off the trigger.
Yes, I got deer and target.
Oh, don't pull that trigger.
I got deer and target.
Hold the gun.
Finger away from that trigger.
You did better
I
that
think
time.
it was up in the tree I shot.
You just got to make sure that this scope don't come back and hit your eye.
No, it hit me in the arm.
Okay, that's where you need to hit you.
Hey, Dad, let me take the bullet out. Let me take the bullet out.
Okay. You, up first before the safety comes on. There you go. I'll have to oil this when we get home. There goes the shell. The one with no holes.
Can I try?
Which one?
Can I try to shoot his?
Shoot the deer?
You have to ask your dad.
Daddy.
Dad, this one's going to be too old for you, bro.
Let's get.
He has his earplugs in. You have to wait a second.
It's going to be too old for you.
Can I try to shoot it?
With the red
After him?
dots, Ryan.
What, Christine?
Did he even shoot the target?
Yes!
The red target?
That's what he's going to do right now.
See if you can get dead center. We'll
See
take a
that?
picture if you can.
See that one on the left, beside the deer?
What one?
Tighten one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Shoot the center of that red.
You shot.
On the left, the one on the left, not the one on the right.
You shot both of yours. You're done.
Can you see the red?
Yeah, I see the red. Put it up.
Okay. Take your time. Boy, you no, he flinched. Go out here and check out the target, see how the kids did.
Hey, Daddy.
They're excited.
Daddy, give me my dog. Where I shot.
I know you got one in the red, dude.
I got two.
I got that one. That one. And then, oh.
And I
That
got.
one there's Titans.
So that's a dead deer.
And no lemons except for one's yours.
Here, Bryson. Turn around.
No, this one's mine.
Is that one
So
yours?
Daddy,
Yeah.
pay me.
That's mean this one's him.
We're gonna have to buy a couple of them targets though.
Dad, look. I got
Just
both
circle
of
the
them,
ones that he
$60.
shot, and then here, turn around.
Yeah, you can do that too,
Here,
but
picture taken with it.
when you pull the tacks out, it's probably gonna rip it.
No, me.
Turn around
What's
because I
that?
can't see where you
That
shot.
target?
Titan can too.
Think we can get them out without ripping it,
Just stay away from the holes. There we go.
so I can get them to reuse it.
Smile.
Well, yeah, but
Let's see, let's see.
No, stop, Bryson. I'll get it.
yeah, man.
Tighten one over and pull Shane's targets and see how he did with the 308. Which one was which?
That one's Dad's and this one's
First,
mine.
second, third.
That's dead deer all day long. Whose is this one?
Titans.
There you go.
This
You
is
shot.
my-
You got him
Yeah,
to shoot
this
at 100 yards too.
No, he pulled that one at
Oh.
65.
I'm taking this one here.
Okay, you take that one.
I'm taking this one. That one's there.
Titan, let me get a picture of it.
Wait, hold on.
Well, that about wraps it up here at Decatur Shooting Range. Got to get Bryson out a little bit more before deer season. Get him a lot of practice in. That way, hopefully this year he can kill his first deer. This will be Titan's first year deer hunting too, right? No, you had him out last year. Guy shooting a pistol. Is that all dirt in there? Bryson's first time shooting. Still needs some practice in there before youth deer season comes in October. But I think we'll get him there just in time for his first year hunting. Thanks guys for watching. Until next time guys, stay epic.